Ooh.
From the fish.
You like it, King? Go Cree. Oh, she has a second favourite now.
Is that a new pig? We need to get her new chin balls.
Let's attack the poodle.
Alright, happy birthday, home. Say goodbye, everyone.
No, more. Just because it's not your birthday. Tell me when it's happy. Yep. Yeah. Go woman. Woo!
Woman.
Birthday,
Woman. Woman. Real woman.
Not much from him. Kingy, do you want to say happy birthday to your sissy?
Happy birthday, how are you?
Kingy, do you want to say anything? Anything at all? Yeah!